Joanne's career also spans big pharma, Merck and Novartis, and smaller organizations, now consulting. So, Joanne, where would you like to start us off today?
Okay, thanks, Louis. So I want to build a little bit. Ken made a great point on internal alignment and how important that is as a sponsor. And there's internal alignment on all of the technical boxes that everyone is checking and what are we looking at. But I really also see the value of stepping back and saying, what kind of relationship are you looking for? And that's really hard to measure. But as a sponsor, are you looking for a very transactional partnership? Do you want to place a PO and say, I need a batch, and that batch is delivered? Or do you really want to be involved? Do you want to be on site? Do you want to really understand the day-to-day and the operation? Are you looking for a short-term transactional relationship? I need these 10 batches and I need to go away. Or are you looking for a long-term partner that's going to see and be with you for years and grow with you for years? And being very honest with that, about that with yourselves as a sponsor company and with the CDMO that you're sourcing with is really critical. As you go through that RFP or RFI process, being honest and saying, what are we really looking for, is going to bring such richness and wins to this selection process. And you're looking for a technical fit, you're looking for financial fit, you're looking for delivery, but you're also looking for a cultural fit. And while that's hard to measure, you need to think about, is this an organization that I am going to get the level of service that I'm looking for and the level of partnership that I'm looking for? So if you're in a giant big pharma and you're coming into this little tiny CMO, are they really going to be able to give you what you're looking for? And vice versa. You're a small biotech and you're trying to get the attention of a big multinational CDMO. Are you going to get what you're looking for? And size is just an example that I'm using for discussion purposes. But I think one of the others mentioned, who comes to the meetings? Are you talking to the people that are going to work on your program, or are you talking to salespeople who are not going to let you have access to the people that are working on the program? And the more that you think about what's important to you along those lines, that's where I think, Louis, you said it best, only you can say what's the right CDMO for you based on that real user requirement that you're looking for and you set up front. And I think a lot of the things that we're going to talk about today are going to build right off there.